Fort Worth, Texas becomes the first city to mine Bitcoin, while Bitcoin is at major support and the dollar is at major resistance. Welcome to Everything Currency. Today I want to talk to you guys about how Fort Worth, Texas is adopting Bitcoin and they're starting to mine Bitcoin, and why I think this is a pretty big deal and why I think more cities and more counties are going to hop onto it. I'm going to talk to you guys about the city that I live in, about how they're adopting cryptocurrency in a way and how I think it's going to happen next, and what is the next wave I think is going to be in cryptocurrency. I also want to talk to you guys about the dollar chart and the Bitcoin chart. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, share this with your friends who are new to cryptocurrency or who are just into crypto anyway, and join my Telegram group. Let's get this money together. So breaking news right here: Fort Worth, Texas becomes the first city to mine Bitcoin. Now this is crazy because I think more and more cities are going to realize that Bitcoin is a global asset and they can be contributing in a way that's going to just be a passive income stream for the city. So cities always try to, of course, earn more money. Governments always try to earn more money, like state governments and stuff like that. They want to earn more money so that they can do different things in the state. My city, San Jose, actually partnered with Helium so that they can provide helium miners to low-income families so that they can help pay for high-speed internet. That's a pretty dope idea, and I think this is something that's going to take off more and more around cities. And if you don't have a helium miner, maybe look into getting one. I'm going to get one here soon, and I'll make a whole video about that. We can talk about the helium miners, and I'll start putting up how much money it's bringing in and stuff like that. We'll talk about more passive income streams in crypto. But back to what I was talking about, the cities and the governments I think are going to keep adopting like Bitcoin mining. They're going to keep adopting like staking, and especially these things where they just buy these devices and kind of plug them in. They can plug them in at like schools and places that already use electricity and actually earn money from a global network like the Helium network, like San Jose's doing. So that's pretty dope. I think that's going to get adopted more and more. Like DAG has something called the door miner, where you're getting people's I don't know what that was outside, but big old bang. But yeah, they got the door miner where it's tracking how many people are walking in and out of doors. They collect all that data, and people actually are making money from that. So you can earn extra money in your store just from having this miner put up on your door. If you wanted me to make a video about that, I will be doing that soon, because I will be talking about the DAG ecosystem. But I keep getting sidetracked. But there's so many things going on with this technology as far as like people making passive income. I think Internet of Things is going to be probably the next wave after this whole metaverse and NFT stuff. I think Internet of Things is going to be pretty big because it's going to be something that's like in people's faces, and it's going to be real practical. They're going to actually see it. They're going to have tangible devices that they could actually hold. And I think it's just for a lot of people who don't know anything about the digital world, it'll be a lot easier for them to get into crypto that way. I think that's something that is definitely coming for sure. So shout out to Fort Worth, Texas for jumping in on that and waking up all these other cities who are thinking about doing it. So real quick, let's look at this Bitcoin chart right here. So this is the Bitcoin chart that I haven't talked about too much on this channel, but this was a chart that I was using to map out this trade right here. But we had this first trend line that kind of broke down, and now we're heading down to the second one. This one is at around like 36k. Now if we break that level, then who knows where the support could be. The support, long as it stays above 33k, then I'm not like that worried. But it's already looking pretty bad. We got a whole bunch of things going on in the market right now that's kind of just getting people's sentiment on the lower end side, but we are at these major support levels. So that is looking pretty interesting to see that, hey, look, Bitcoin is still at major support. And even I can bring this down a little bit more right here and say, look, Bitcoin is at these major support levels, and as long as it holds these levels, we might have some interesting things going on. Because when we look at the DXY, it's headed towards major resistance. I gotta zoom this out to like the daily chart for you to even see it, or let's go to the weekly chart. you can see that it's headed up towards this major resistance right here at 102.532, and this is like December 2006, and then March 2020, and then right now April 2022. So we'll see if it breaks above that. If it breaks above that, then yeah, things gonna get a lot more bloody for assets. So this is that major resistance. That is what we see on the dollar right here. Hopefully this goes down, but it's having a nice pumpage right now based on all the news, the QE, the Feds saying that they want to raise interest rates even more, and the tapering of, you know, the asset buying and stuff like that. So there's a lot of things going on that are kind of pumping the price of the dollar right now. So yeah, it's looking pretty interesting on that front. Hopefully the dollar gets rejected right there. Looking at the total too right here, we broke down below this red line. Not sure when I put this line in this chart. I don't look at this chart that much, but breaking below this line I guess was bad because I made it super red. But we are at this major resistance for the whole cryptocurrency market right now, and that's why I'm saying, like, we're at this major support, my bad. We're at this major support for the entire crypto market right now, and hopefully we hold. You know, if we hold this, that might be pretty interesting, but it's going to be pretty much based on if this fails or not, you know. So we'll see how that goes. So let me know what you guys think about the video. Do you guys think Bitcoin's gonna hold? Do you guys think the crypto market is gonna bounce right here? Do you guys think the dollar is going to start to break down? Do you think it's getting too parabolic? Maybe. For sure, hopefully it might have some resistance. I said for sure, hopefully. I'm thinking that there should be some resistance right there. Let's just say that there should be some resistance at that level. So we'll see how that goes. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is for educational purposes only. What you do with your funds is your responsibility. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Follow me on Twitter. Check out my website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Check out all of the links in the description. If you're new to crypto, it'll get you where you need to be. Till next time, RIP Crypto Roots. Peace.